Hello everybody, I wanted to give you a quick tour of what to expect in week 3. This week's focus is on learning activities and how we can get students really actively involved in the classroom, and by doing so can help them learn even more. So first of all, we're going to discuss how students learn. Students learn in a variety of ways. Some are hands-on learners, some learn through watching or looking or reading, some learn through listening. So you're going to explore this topic a little bit further, post your thoughts, and then also comment to a friend in the class. We also are going to discuss clickers, remote devices basically that allow students to input an answer like A, B, C, D, provide some feedback. So imagine how you could really spark some really neat conversations with students if they could use remote devices and not raise their hand all the time to answer a question. Khan Academy is another topic for this week. If you're not familiar, Khan basically is credited for coming up with this idea. He was trying to help a family member learn how to compute some pretty difficult math problems. They lived a great distance away, so he came up with this strategy of recording him going through the steps and then posting the video for his family member to learn from. So if you visit Khan Academy's website, you can access a variety of topics. This helps all kids, honestly. So if you have a son or daughter or granddaughter, grandson, or family member, or you yourself need to brush up on some skills, feel free to visit the website and take a look. Assistive technology is the last discussion for this week, so we're kind of heavy on discussion posts this week, but they're all really good ones. Assistive technology helps individuals with disabilities, so you're going to explore some different types of technology that's out there, things that would help someone, let's say, who is nonverbal, something that might help someone who has difficulty with fine motor skills, using their hands, obviously, to solve problems. So maybe there's a device out there that can help them. Also, with applications and apps, as we call them out there, iPads and other devices have replaced some of the older assistive technology standalone devices. So even the evolution of technology is pretty amazing. Your mini projects for this week, you're going to make a classroom flyer. You're also going to make a brochure. Both of these items can be created from templates that you find in Microsoft Word, or you can use Publisher. So feel free to take a look at that. It's pretty easy if you use a template, and it looks great too. You can add some elements of design pretty easily. Last but not least, your live text progress check. I hope that you are at least logging into live text once in a while, or you've created your account. If you do so, I can share with you an example of a student's portfolio from a previous semester, and then you can kind of take a look at and see where you need to end up. Sometimes I think it's easier when you see a finished product or somebody models what they're looking for, because then you can kind of set your goals and decide what you like about it, what you want to change, how to make it even better than the previous student. So again, this is week 3. Quite a few points this week. I don't think it's too overwhelming. Most of this is pretty heavy on discussions, and then just a couple little mini projects and the usual live text progress check. Please let me know if you have any questions. I am happy to help.